Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting badge which is nothing but improve data quality for your sales and support teams. This is also going to be the prerequisite for our advanced admin certification. If you need solution for any of these challenges, playlist will be available in our channel. Do check that. Let's take up our first challenge now, which is create a validation rule. So once if you launch your playground, go to object manager. So here in quick find I'm going to search for opportunity. So once if you get the result, click on it. So guys, here just click on fields and relationship followed by new. So here we are just going to select date, which is right over here. So just choose the date and click on next. And now let's copy our field label, which is given right over here in our challenge. So copy this and paste it right over here. So once if it is done, field name is auto populated. Now click on next. So guys, here I'm just going to select on read only header, and if you scroll down we are going to deselect it for standard user followed by system administrator. So once if it is done, click on next followed by save. And now if you scroll down on your left side, you will find validation rules right over here. Just click on validation rules and let's copy our rule name, which is given right over here. Just copy this and here click on new, and here just paste the rule name which we have just copied. And now let's copy our description as well, which is given right over here. Copy this and paste it on description text box. So once if it is done, just scroll down and let's copy our formula, which is given right over here. So just copy this and paste it on condition formula. So once if it is done, click on check syntax. We shouldn't get any error right over here. So we got no errors found. So once if it is done, we need to copy the error message. For that, let's go back and copy this error message and paste it right over here. And guys, for error location, I'm just going to click on field right over here. So for the field, they have given delivery schedule date. So we need to choose delivery schedule date for this. So once if it is done, click on save. So guys, that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. Remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.